Hi! Today I want to show you a few simple passing notes you can start practicing right away. We'll work on ornithology and focus on using passing notes to outline the chords. In this exercise, I approach the chord tone from below. I use a chromatic passing note that is a half step under the target note, in this example, the root. Here I approach the chord tone from above. The passing note is a half step higher than the target. Now we add two passing notes. First a note from above, then a chromatic note just below the target. Here we expand the idea with three notes leading to the chord tone. I demonstrate all examples on the root, but try the same ideas on other chord tones. That's it for today. If you want to play your bebop lines more smoother and more connected, this is a great daily workout. All examples are written down in the PDF, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know how it goes.